Welcome to this Red5 Cloud IP camera streaming tutorial. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to pull an RTSP camera feed into Red5 Cloud and play it back with near real-time latency using WebRTC. All you need is your camera's RTSP URL. It looks like this: the camera's IP address, the port, usually 554, the stream path, and a username and password if your camera requires them. Most IP cameras expose this in their settings. In the Streams page, click New Stream. Set protocol to RTSP and method to pull. This tells Red5 Cloud to connect out to your camera and fetch the feed. Pick your node group and the region closest to your camera. Enter your camera's host and port and the stream path. If your camera needs a login, set auth type to basic or digest and add the credentials. Click Add Stream. Red5 Cloud connects to the camera and the stream goes live. Open the player, and there's your camera feed, playing right in the browser over WebRTC with sub-second latency. That's RTSP to WebRTC in Red5 Cloud. Thanks for watching.